Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are here to crush these bricks and concrete for experimental purpose. We bring on a small truck and we are going to crush here from the recycling factory over there. You'll see there are a lot of recycling is going on. It's raining today. Unfortunately, we didn't bring our umbrella with us. This is the truck, Dr. Sobe, and we are the students. On we're using helmet. This is the car. We bring the stuff within. So all these are here to assist the crushing of these bricks. And over there is a crusher and crushing activities going on. We'll show you shortly how we will be doing the crushing as well and how they operate. पाकिस्तान में हम मोस्टली ब्रिक्स वगैरह को फाउंडेशन वगैरह में यूज़ करते हैं. यहाँ पे ब्रिक्स को रोड वगैरह में यूज़ करने के लिए रिसर्च चल रही है. तो हम यहाँ पे मटेरियल को क्रश करते हैं और क्रश करके फिर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स वगैरह करेंगे जिससे हम प्रूव करेंगे कि ये मटेरियल वर्थफुल है. और ये मटेरियल हम फिर वियतनाम वगैरह के लिए प्रपोज करेंगे कि वहाँ ये किस काम के लिए इस्तेमाल हो सकेगा. तो स्टे ट्यून्ड, कीप वाचिंग. आई विल शोइंग यू द नेक्स्ट crushing activities also. Thank you. This is the weighing balance where they weight the truck which bring the garbage and everything, and the collection center. We'll show you shortly. So this is the weighing balance. They automatically record how much the weight they are bringing. So because they charge recycling fee and for crushing the material. And over there you can see there are the trucks bringing the stuff, and normally they weight it first. They are crushing the ceramics material, wooden planks, steel, plastics, all those things, and aggregates. Of course, these are the concrete aggregates. These are the concrete aggregates. These are all kind of the crushing and recycling is going on here. There is a asbestos roof, and this is the foam thermopole. They crush like this, put in the bag for tatamis, concrete aggregates, ceramics. There is a wood also going crushing, and they are making the powder type, and later on maybe they will be using in the other activities. Over there is a wood crusher. There are machineries working here. These are the trucks bringing the garbage and for recycling. There is a huge amount of money being spent on the recycling. These big boulders you can see, these are used to recycle and reduce the particle size into a smaller one. Number of the people they are working here, as you will see. The dozer also is working. Further we will be showing you this truck. It brings something. So we have collected this stock of the brick here, concrete here, and after that the excavator is going to put it in the machine, and then it is going to be collected over there, and we will fill up the bags. So these concrete aggregates are brought from the Vietnam, and as you will see, this big crusher is crushing with small particles, and with the backhoe it is going to be put here in the crusher, and then crushing will be collected.
over there, and we will be filling. Approximately this size of the particles will be generated in the crushing. So this is our truck. There is a wood which is being crushed and piled up in the truck and is going to transport to the next destination. तो जनाबे वाला वहाँ से हम क्रशिंग कर रहे थे और क्रशर में अब हम सीव साइज़ पार्टिकल का सेट करने के लिए थोड़े से हमें बड़े पार्टिकल चाहिए, इसलिए वो एडजस्ट कर रहे हैं उसकी सीविंग के लिए। और उसके बाद वो सैंपल क्रशर के बाद हम यहाँ पे रिसीव करते हैं। हमने इनिशियली चेक किया है कि हमें कौन से पार्टिकल साइज़ चाहिए, इसलिए हमने ये सीविंग थोड़ी सी की है और जहाँ से हमें पता चला है कि हमें पार्टिकल साइज़ जो है थोड़े से बड़े चाहिए और उन पार्टिकल साइज़ को हम फिर सेपरेट करके देख लेते हैं रफली कि हमें कौन सा क्राइटेरिया रिक्वायर्ड है। हमारे पास पार्टिकल की ग्रेडेशन है जो कि 3 टाइप के पार्टिकल्स हम यूज़ करेंगे विच आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी मेंशन्ड हियर, और यहाँ पे फिर बाद में हम बैग में फिल कर देंगे। सो दिस इज़ ऑपरेटर, ही इज़ वर्किंग एज वेल एंड इज़ असिस्टिंग अस। तो वहाँ हमारी एक टीम काम कर रही है जो कि उसमें पार्टिकल बैग्स वगैरह लोड कर रहे हैं और यहाँ से क्रशर से रिसीव करके हम यहाँ पे वसूल कर रहे हैं और फिर बाद में बैग में फिल करके हम लेके जाएंगे यूनिवर्सिटी में और वहाँ पे हम इसके एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करेंगे। तो जनाबे वाला ये स्टील सेग्रीगेट हो जाता है ड्यूरिंग द क्रशिंग। कंक्रीट में जो भी स्टील होता है वो फिर सेपरेट हो जाता है। यहाँ पे वो मैग्नेटिक लगा हुआ है, इसका ऑपरेटर हम दिखाएंगे थोड़ी देर में। अभी बारिश हो रही है एंड वी आर वर्किंग इन द रेन एज वेल, सो डेडिकेशन इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एनी टाइप ऑफ द वर्क irrespective of the weather situation. We have to do this one on timely. So please, we will be showing you the next process as well. Mr. Khatho is here and there is a Nam, he is a Vietnam student, master student, probably he is going to start PhD. And this is already recycled concrete which is being recycled and processed and being used in the Japan. And Japan it is 99% is being recycled, while in Vietnam hardly 1 to 2% of the sample is being recycled. Rest of the sample is disposed on the landfill sites and without any proper engineering use. That's why they are promoting for the engineering utilization of these kind of the materials. And in developing countries recycling is not so trendy, not so famous. That's why people are not using so much. But however, in Japan it is must, otherwise it is occupying a lot of space and it costs a lot of money. As you will see, a lot of machines is working here for just to recycle these kind of the materials. So this is the one of the point we mentioned already for the beautification of the country, cleanliness and everything is neat and clean, tidy. So they make it everything in a proper way. So this is the today's demonstration of recycling of the concrete aggregates, crushing, setting the sieve size, and then a little operation we will show you as well. So all these machines, people, they are working, a lot of the number of the people they are working here, and various kind of the machines. They are not burning anything here, they are recycling each and everything. As you will see, we have the option of burning, but it is not environmental friendly. That's why they are processing, recycling, they are utilizing one or the other form of these things. So thank you for watching, stay tuned, keep watching, and please share, subscribe, like and comment for further suggestions. Thank you. Bye. So finally the crusher is in operation. The crusher is going to crush the sample. All the steel and concrete mixed sample will be coming on the conveyor belt, and after the conveyor belt steel will be segregated from the magnetic, and remaining all the crushed material will be bring from out of the conveyor belt and is going to put in here, this bobcat. So this is all procedure. We demonstrate you now the crusher is in operation. You will see there is small, actually we are doing manually and we are crushing slightly small sample of the fraction.